Hey, Chip here, No Garage Garage. This is my 50th episode of No Garage. Honestly, I didn't think it would last this long because I didn't want to go out and buy every car I can. Um, I just thought I'd take a couple of minutes and explain my channel to you. First, this is not a revival channel. This is a buy it cheap and fix it while you drive it channel. um, Um, as the name says, I work on stuff in my driveway while laying in the dirt and on the rocks. However, when I do need to get a vehicle on jack stands, I have a garage that I can use thanks to my longtime friend Robert. Um, and that's a safety thing. I'm an old guy that enjoys buying cars as cheap as possible and then driving them while I work on them. I don't claim to be any kind of mechanic, just a guy that knows a thing or two about a thing or two. I also get to learn some stuff while I'm at it. For example, I learned how to change an axle shaft or how to install a trans cooler. Um, I'm sure there's other things I've done for the first time. I just can't think of them off the top of my head right now. Not only will you see me working on cars, but you'll also see me at work from time to time. I'm a heavy haul truck driver for a local construction company. Sometimes I haul something as simple as a 10,000 pound skid steer, and other times it could be a 95,000 pound excavator. That's not including the weight of the truck. Also, although I haven't done it in a long, long time, I'll also have a chat with the camera on my way home from work. Sometimes about car stuff, sometimes not. Depends on what's on my mind. Like I said, it's been a while. I'm thinking I need to do that again. So, my typical release schedule is on Tuesdays at 9 a.m. Eastern. However, I took a bit of a break recently, a couple months actually. That sort of messed up my schedule. My break was partially due to being super busy at work, uh, a little with the weather, and a lot to do with frustration. Frustration over channel growth. I realize I'm not the most charismatic guy or the funniest guy or the most sarcastic guy. But after nearly 9 months, I had yet to crack 150 subscribers. Don't get me wrong, I have no expectations of being some big channel, but it's still frustrating considering the amount of work I put into making videos while at the same time working my real job over 40 hours a week. So after my break, I decided just to release when I have something to release. Screw the algorithm. Honestly, I feel a ton better now. Now, I hope some of you enjoy the content. If you don't, that's fine. Tell me about it in the comments. Hit the like, hit the dislike. It's all the same to YouTube. You know what they say, bad publicity is still publicity. I make these videos for me because I enjoy the process. I work on cars because I enjoy buying them cheap and making them good cars. So, like I said, this is my 50th episode, and I'm glad to be here, and I hope to do 50 more. Please take the time to like and comment, or dislike and comment, or don't comment. It helps me out, even if you don't subscribe. I hope you all have a blessed day, and thank you for watching. Well, I'll do my AC, it's just replacing parts. No. Broke that. Yep. Bought the wrong condenser, and I damaged the one that I bought, so I can't return it. I thought, alright, I'll just put it back together and we'll fix the headlight adjuster. Broke that.